Morning guys, Thursday. Had an absolutely late night last night with Chris, Romain, Scotty got back quite late as well, and yeah, we're just trying to sort a customer's car out. We had some issues with the software, kept corrupting, but never mind, that was last night. So started early again today. Romain's back. We've got Warren's car ready to go on the dyno. It was supposed to be on yesterday, so we're going to get cracking with that, and we're hoping we'll get a good day and some good luck with that car today. No issues. Last time we had a pressure sensor failed on the box. Kyle's quickly sorted that out. So yeah, we'll update you with Warren's car, and then I'll update you with what's going on at GM. So for now guys, I'll see you in a bit.
So, as you've seen there, that's Jack's beautiful WRX, and the eagle-eye viewers will notice that some nice parts in this car. Torn meteor exhaust, work wheels as well, but he's now in for a DCAT HGS SSQV, plugs an air filter, and now it's getting tuned by Romain. So yeah, I know Jack, you'll be waiting a few weeks for this, but yeah, it's just coming along nicely.
Guys, the sun is out. We've got Lyle's GTR. He's collecting it tomorrow. He's left it with us for a week. It's been in for a full service, billet some, and some other little bits and pieces on that car. I've just been out on it. Drives really nice. Dale's just given it a nice wash as well, so he gets his car fully fresh, fully washed. Fabio, your Alpha is ready and clean. I'm just waiting for your registration from the DVLA, and then you're ready to come and collect your car. Let's go and have a quick look outside, see what's going on. Right guys, I'm outside and we have, let me just adjust this. There we go, is that better? We've got Joe Garrett's GTR, just fitted a Cyvex on it, and tuned it. I think it's making about 950 horsepower from memory. And we've got Jack's Impreza that Haggie's been mentioning before. That's getting washed and then it's going to get collected. And we do have Big Daz's AMS Alpha 15X car behind us, JM1800R. That is pulled out of storage and going in for some drive shaft upgrade now, finally. Romain's on the dyno with the car, so I'll see what's that. Anyway, I'll quickly show you Daz's car. So we've got Billy's car. Billy, Dean's done a fantastic job of the plenum. We're just waiting for Romain now to fire it up. You've got the big fuel system and everything in, and then hopefully we get a bit of time in the dyno and get started on this. Maybe tight for time, but we'll see. But just to let you know, your baby is nearly ready. So Jan's progressing very well with your GTR. Plenum is on. Been doing a lot of wiring. I mean, this car is going to be something else. Jan's doing a great job on this car. That's been relocated as well, as I had an issue when it was hitting that. So yeah, James, your car is progressing well. Jan's on this all week. So James, the boys have just finished your car. I was out testing another GTR. Romain, it's Romain from Race Car. So, James, your car made 913 wheel. Romain, quick one for you. Was that a 913 wheel quite easy?
Yeah, but then it's not limited just after that, so
Yeah.
make sure that you pushed it through the 4th, 5th and 6th on the dyno.
Yeah, so 930 wheels is nice and comfortable.
The grass is very nice. It's
I'm
nice to
gonna
as
spin
well.
it round. So yeah, James, so the job now is we're gonna have to, obviously you've got the red coolant pipes and some red intakes that obviously looks a little bit horrible in the car. So we've ordered the new ones, we're gonna swap it round and get your car ready for you. So I will be in touch soon. Done. Warren's car has been finished on pump fuel. Romain is eating chocolate, or was it Chris? I think it was Chris. Romain. Mr. Romain, my man, the legend. We were here late last night, weren't we, Romain?
Very late.
Very late.
Very late.
See, he thinks he does for me because he loves me. Feeling me six pack. Anyway, Romain, pump fuel's done.
Yes.
Happy with it.
Very happy. It's a very good engine.
And it's making what I thought, nearly 1100 wheels.
Yeah. It just
Turn it down a little bit.
Well, I left it at 1.7, and then I play with ignition timing to see what the limit was, because I didn't want to stop without knowing what the limit was, which was 1076. But on those big engines, big manifold, big turbo, it's very predictable. There's no runaway knock, it's just I can't take care of it. So I left it there, turned it back down to like 1050 wheels.
Yeah, which is more than enough on
good.
pump, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Yeah,
It's a lot on pump.
It's a lot of power.
So now it's time for go-go juice, ethanol, guys. I'm going to nip out to my son's football, so Chris will update you on the ethanol, get some videos, and then let's see how we get on. So wish you luck. The son's made an appearance for GM. Right, it's a little bit after 6 PM and we are now on to Billy's call on the dyno. Again, I'm going to sit the camera down, get some footage, see what we're talking to.
What about that? That is some Cyvex pops and bangs and flames. That's all we've got time for with Romain. I'm going to get him to the station now, and then head back and hopefully get a kebab off JV. So, see you soon. Right guys, that's the end of a very busy Thursday. Another mapping session done. Got lots done, which is good. So yeah, just going to head back to the office and get sorted out. Joined by Dale, enjoying a kebab?
Yeah, I'm good.
Tierney, so already had his tea, so he didn't want a kebab. Haggy, what you got?
The usual.
The usual.
Is
chicken kebab. And JV, catching up with some work.
Doner
a nice
kebab.
doner kebab.
Cheesy chips.
Get in. Thanks, Route 66. Well, a good day. It's been very busy, but it's been good. Productive, very productive. So yeah, chicken kebab, very much earned and deserved. I think we're all looking forward to it.
Well,
So-
late night, didn't we, last night?
Yeah, very late night. It was nearly midnight last night when we left. It's now 8:30ish or something like that now. It's after 8, I know that much. So I'm going to enjoy this and then get home. See you again tomorrow.
So that is all for today, guys. I hope you like the videos we're doing. Don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, share, comment, good, bad. Okay.